Good afternoon from World Conflict Zone. This video that you're seeing before you is drone and fireworks show gone wrong in China. Have a look. It's kind of mesmerizing and scary, all in the same vein. And very massive. So if you enjoyed this visual video, please hit the like button and or consider subscribing to my channel. I have found out that through analytics in my channel that 89% of people who enjoy my content have not subscribed. So your subscription to my channel matters and it means the world and a lot to me. So if you could take a second to do those two things, I would greatly be humbled and thankful. Thanks for watching.